Quadratic equation. The quadratic equation, also called the quadratic formula, is used to solve quadratic equations that cannot be factorized. You can actually solve any quadratic equation using this, but factorizing is more efficient and more useful. The quadratic equation is given on your formula sheet, which is here, and you can see it's just at the bottom on the right hand corner. So it says the quadratic equation: the solutions of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a doesn't equal 0, are given by x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So let's do an example. Solve x squared minus 4x minus 7 equals 0. So the first thing you would try and do is see if you can factorize this. So I'd need two numbers that multiply to make 7 and add together to make minus 4. And we can't do that. So at this point, we'd start using the equation. So first we need to identify our a, b and c. For this example, a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is minus 7. And you can see on the example, the a is before the x squared, the b is before the x, and the c is the number on the end. So here we go, a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is minus 7. The next step is to substitute those values into the formula that you've been given. So x equals minus b, that's minus 4. And you'll notice that I have brackets around the outside. Plus or minus, we'll talk about that in a minute. The square root of b squared, that's minus 4 squared, minus 4 times a times c, so that's 4 times 1 times minus 7, all divided by 2a, which is 2 times 1. The plus and minus means that we're going to need to do the calculation twice. We'll use our calculator to enter the equation, but we'll need to do 1, giving it a plus, and 1, giving us a minus. So we're going to take our equation and grab our calculator. So we'll need minus, remember I'm going to put this in brackets, minus 4, plus the square root of, so we'll have minus 4 squared, minus 4 times 1 times minus 7. And you'll see that every time I have a negative, I keep it in brackets. And then this is 2 times 1. So our first answer will give us 5.3166. Next, we press the replay button, go all the way through, and change that to a minus. And this time we have minus 3.166. So at the end, we can write in our answers. This time I've done it to 3 decimal places or 4 significant figures, and that's our two answers.